Well, direct mail campaigns have many different aspects that go so much more beyond the typical print and then mail. Oftentimes, the real work is done up front behind the scenes with literally weeks before the first impression is made on our presses. Customers have become experts today, which is our responsibility to continue to help them become experts on how to create loyalty. And loyalty often begins with their database, and that's where data analytics come in, data hygiene as well. You got to think beyond the print and mail, and how is the piece going to deliver in the Postal Service? Is it going to be a co-palletization piece, co-mingle, as opposed to just a saturation into a large area of the country? So our role there is to educate our clients and find out, help them determine how they can maximize their response. What we've seen in our industry, regardless of budget restrictions or staffing reductions, is that many of the folks that we work with, years ago that may have been involved at one point in time in the creative function of a direct mail campaign now are wearing multiple hats. So for example, we're dealing with, the same group of people that were doing creative that are now in charge and responsible for the data analytics, postal optimization for their clients. And so we've seen that change over the years, which is where it's really become a necessity for us to aid in that process and help continue to give our clients the resources that they need. So we've also seen the realization of where we are taking on more of that role from the front end and reporting back on the back end through postal optimizations as well. Well, at Consolidated Graphics, we realize that the industry changes, and it changes very fast. And as that changes, we've understood that we got to become successful. In order for us to be successful, we must first enable our clients to be successful.